Do you want to earn an extra $1,000 every single week in 2025 without quitting your day job? Today, I'm going to reveal 5 high-paying side hustles that anyone can start, even with no experience. These side hustles are not only proven to work, but they also allow you to earn online or from home, giving you financial freedom and flexibility. Hi, welcome to Investamind, the channel where we teach you how to make money, invest wisely, and build a millionaire mindset. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss our daily tips on money, investing, and passive income. Let's dive right into the first side hustle. Freelancing online. Freelancing is one of the fastest and most flexible ways to earn $1,000 a week. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and Toptal allow you to sell your skills online to clients all over the world. The great thing is you don't need a degree, just skills, consistency, and good communication. Examples of freelance work include writing, copywriting, graphic design, video editing, programming, web development, and social media management. To start, choose a skill you can learn quickly. Create a profile showcasing your work. Start with small gigs to build reputation and gradually increase your rates. Many freelancers start by working 10 to 15 hours per week and make $500 to $700 in the first month. And once they build their portfolio, hitting $1,000 per week becomes easy. Mistakes to avoid include accepting too many low-paying gigs, poor communication, and missing deadlines. The second side hustle is print-on-demand (POD), which allows you to sell products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more without holding inventory. Platforms like Merch by Amazon, Etsy, Redbubble, and Teespring handle production and shipping. You just create designs. Start by choosing a niche like hobbies, pets, trending topics, or funny quotes. Create designs using Canva Free, upload products with a profit margin, and promote them on social media, Pinterest, or TikTok. Beginners can make $100 to $300 per week, intermediate sellers $500 to $1,000 per week, and advanced sellers $2,000 plus per week. Tips include checking trending topics, using keywords in titles and descriptions, and experimenting with multiple designs. Avoid copying designs or choosing oversaturated niches. The third side hustle is affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products online. Platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale allow you to earn without creating products. Choose a niche like tech, finance, health, or online tools, join affiliate programs, create content via blogs, YouTube, or social media, and promote products by explaining benefits. Beginners can earn $50 to $200 per week, consistent marketers $500 to $1,000 per week, and top marketers $5,000 plus per week. Focus on products you genuinely like, use free traffic sources, and track clicks and conversions. Avoid spamming links or promoting irrelevant products. The fourth side hustle is online tutoring or creating courses. If you have expertise in subjects like math, English, coding, finance, or fitness, you can tutor students online or sell courses on Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. Choose a subject and target audience, create lesson plans or tutorials, offer live sessions or pre-recorded courses, and promote via social media or LinkedIn. Earnings range from $15 to $25 per hour for beginners, $30 to $50 per hour for experienced tutors, and $100 to $500 per course sale. Tips include bundling courses, offering free webinars, and answering student questions to build credibility. Avoid underpricing your services or neglecting marketing. The fifth side hustle is AI automation, which uses AI tools to create content, graphics, or videos for businesses. Tools like ChatGPT, Pictory, Runway ML, Canva, and Jasper can help you offer content creation, social media management, or video production services. Examples include creating social media content for small businesses, producing AI-generated videos for YouTube channels, or automating customer support emails. Beginners can earn $200 to $500 per week, intermediate $1,000 per week, and advanced $2,000 plus per week. Focus on providing done-for-you services, learn the tools thoroughly, and package multiple services for higher pay. Avoid over-promising results or using tools improperly. These are the top 5 side hustles that can help you earn $1,000 per week in 2025. Success comes from consistency, learning, and taking action. Start small, experiment with 1 or 2 side hustles, and scale over time. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Investimind, and share it with someone who wants to start making money online. Comment below which side hustle you're going to start first. I'd love to hear from you.